Hi class, welcome back for grade. Today is finally Friday and I'm really happy. Today, as always, we are going to start by doing a review about the activities that we did the last video, not yesterday at the live class. I want to say also thank you so much for working super hard. Thank you so much for being on time in our Zoom meeting. And it's always nice to see you. So if you miss it, please try not to the next week. As always, we are going to be meeting right there as always. So I was telling you we're going to review about the activities that we did in the last video on Wednesday, and we're going to review about the use of why and because. Why is used always in a question, only in question, okay? Well, in these cases. So it is used to ask questions to know reasons. When you want to know the reason or the cause of something, you need to start your question with why. And the answers are used with because. Sometimes they are at the beginning, sometimes they are like in the middle. And these are used always to answer questions with why and explains the reason of something. Okay, so they are always connected. Always, when you have a question with why, you need to use your answer with because. Even though it's in the middle, even though because it's at the beginning, you always need to use it this way. So I show you this example, and now let's check what we did. We did workbook pages 57 and 58. So these were the activities. Now, today I want to show you some vocabulary, different vocabulary. As you can remember, we are learning about species, animals in danger. So I want to show you some animals, different animals from the ones that we've learned in the books. For example, as you can see here, these are some Australian endangered and extinct animals. As you know, endangered is different from extinct. Endangered means that they are like a few of these species left, and extinct, it means that they aren't at all of this species. For example, as you can see, here we have the key. Now, this black circle means extinct. The red circle means critically endangered, like they are about to get extinct. Now, the orange means endangered, so they can be like treated pretty well. If we keep them, we can save their species. Now, the yellow one means vulnerable, okay? So, vulnerable means like they are suffering, like there aren't enough of this species, but they are not endangered yet. It's like a little bit similar, but vulnerable means that they are more than extinct, more than endangered. So for example, we can find the extinct animals. Remember, these are Australian animals. Australia, it's a country that is known for having exotic animals, different animals from the ones that we have here in Mexico or they are in the United States. For example, if you heard about the koalas, about the kangaroos, these animals are from Australia. Okay, so now let's find extinct animals. In here, we have the Tasmanian tiger. Okay, that's pretty sad. They aren't at all more Tasmanian tigers in our world. Now, critically endangered with the red circle, that we have the northern hairy-nosed wombat. It's so cute. Now we have the fire coral. Okay, this is in here. This is an animal too. And endangered, what about the endangered? There we have the Tasmanian devil, as you have in the book, remember this? And also we have the growling grass frog. Okay, it's pretty sad. And the vulnerable animals, we have the greater bilby. Also, we have this one that is super cute. Have you seen about this? And then we have the loggerhead sea turtle. Okay, these are some of the animals, of course. As you know, these are animals from Australia. Here in Mexico, we have lots of endangered and extinct animals, as the same as the rest of the world. So, for example, I have some endangered animals of North America. It means United States or Canada. So we have, like, for example, this is a huge turtle. You have the name in here. The California condor. It's similar from the Indian condor, but they are from different areas. Then we have the giant sea bass. Then we have the red wolf that is super popular, but it's endangered because people keep hunting them. Okay, we have the West Indian manatee, Florida panther. I love panthers. Garner blue butterfly that you can see, it's pretty beautiful. Then we have a snail, and of course a ferret, that they are super cute. Some of these animals are endangered or extinct because people keep hunting them because they look cute, as you know, because some of them keep them as animals and they don't know how to take care of these animals and they finally die. Sometimes, yes, they are used and haunted because they are different, they are special, because they are beautiful. That's super sad, as I told you. But these are some of the animals. Remember, there are lots of species in danger of extinction or endangered. So I think we can go to the activities and we learn some about other animals. If you want to know more about endangered animals, you can find on the internet Endangered Animals of Mexico, and you will have a surprise because it's pretty shocking. So let's go to the activities. Workbook pages 59 and 60. We're going to do these two pages today. And if you want to do the activities on page 59, you need to reread the activity or the reading that is in page 58, that it's called Status in Danger. Okay, so you're going to read this again. If you didn't do it, you won't be able to do the next activities. And activity 12 says, look at 11, then circle T for true or F for false. You have 4 statements. You have number 1, farmers protect bumblebee bats, true or false. Number 2, the Egyptian tortoise is the smallest in the world, true or false. 3, red pandas hide in trees, true or false. Number 4, the Mexican walking fish lives in the forest, true or false. Now, activity 13 says complete the sentences, and then you have a box, and the words say caves, extinct, polluted, found, and scientists. And you're going to read these sentences that they are also about the last reading in page 58. Remember that. When you finish activity 13, you will be able to do activity 14 that says, which animal would you like as a pet? Remember, never would be a good idea to have a wild animal as a pet. This is just an example. If you were able to choose an animal as pet, remember, it's not okay. Which animal would you like and why? Explain it. For example, I would like to have I think a koala, because I think koalas are cute, are furry, are intelligent, are fun, etc. Or for example, I would like to have an otter as a pet because I think they are pretty cute, they are funny, they are amazing, intelligent, etc. Or you can find information about this animal in the internet. You can choose another animal, a wild animal that you want. Remember, it's just an activity. We can go to activity 16 on page 15. Read and complete. And then you have a box in here. Breathe, giant, lizard, mythical, myths, real, scary, and wings. You're going to read this text and you are going to fill in the blanks by choosing words in the box. Okay, remember to pay attention to it. If you don't know or if you don't remember the meaning of any of these words, remember to use a translator or your dictionary. That is the best option. So activity 16, that is the last one for today, says find 4 pairs of synonyms and 3 pairs of antonyms. Okay, so remember the synonyms is the same as in Spanish. A synonym, or if you have a pair of synonyms, they are 2 different words that mean the same. An antonym is when you have 2 different words and they mean the contrary thing. For example, you have in here tail, giant, humans, good, scary, real, and north. So in the other side, you have story, frightening, evil, south, mythical, people, and very big. So you're going to match them. If you want to use lines, use colors, different colors, so you don't get confused. And that's it for today. Remember to send pictures of each page with your name and also the date in it. And that's it. I hope this was really clear and you enjoyed the class. If you want to know more about this, please send a message to me and I'll help you as always. I'll see you the next week. Have an amazing weekend. Goodbye.